Okay, I'm gonna try to make this video fast as possible. This is the ENERTWIST Multitool. This is the bottom fittings. Okay, it's toolless design, and when I tell you this thing is great, it's great, and it's powerful. So you flip that all the way over. I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to do things. You flip that all the way over. You sit that on there, and you could pull it back now and lock it, or you could actually put this in any position that you may need it to go. And it came with a whole host of blades and sanding pads, but let me just show you this real quick. Get it situated on there. You pull this, be careful because it does snap back. These right here locking into place. You slide this back out the way, fasten it down. This is the power button right here. Down here you got the speed controls. And when I tell you this thing is buttery smooth, my first time using it, and I can tell you I was extremely impressed. The first one that I had didn't work that well. It wasn't as powerful as this one. This one right here, when I tell you is buttery smooth, it's buttery smooth. And it just makes the job a whole lot easier. You can tell by the weight that it's just a quality piece of tool, and it's very well balanced. When I was using it, you could hold it literally with one hand and work the thing, and it just made things a whole lot easier to do things smoothly and levelly. So yeah, I highly recommend this if anybody's looking for one, and just a great item, great price point too. Oh, and it came with a nice bag. It also has a handle, and the extra accessories, they go down in here. This right here locks it into place. Like I said, just the whole package is just really nice.
Alright, so here's the oscillating tool that I emailed you guys about. I got it yesterday. I went through the instructions, and the first thing I wanted to do was attach a blade with the quick change so that I could try out the tool. And when you go to rotate this 180, and see if I can do it without dropping the camera. It popped all the way out just like that and didn't get captured by the snap ring and the looks like there's a little pressure washer that goes in there, but the snap ring and the little crush washer, they popped right out, and I cannot get my snap ring pliers in there good enough and the snap ring at the correct angle to put it back on the piston. And then on top of that, I tried to put the body in my vise and remove the pin so that I could at least have access to this to put the snap rings in, or the snap ring in, and I could not get it out with a pin, and I don't want to break this thing. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know.
Alright, so this is a ENERTWIST Multitool Oscillating tool. Brand new out of the bag. Plugged in. No power. Am I doing something wrong? I don't expect to be trying to fix something I just bought. That's a good way to it, but I wish it would work because I actually bought it because I need it.